Time to turn up the cool. Here's how to install your Goodman AC condenser. First, choose the perfect spot for your condenser. Ensure it's well ventilated and away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Got your spot? Great. Next, check the electrical supply. Make sure the voltage and amperage match the unit's specifications. Gather your tools: pipe cutter, torque wrench, vacuum pump, and R410A refrigerant. Step 1. Place the condenser on a concrete pad or mounting bracket. Use a level to align it properly. Step 2. Connect the refrigerant lines. Ensure they're the right size and undamaged. Cut and connect the liquid and suction lines securely. Step 3. Wire the electrical components. Shut off the power at the main circuit breaker. Follow the Goodman wiring diagram to connect the high-voltage power supply. Step 4. Vacuum and charge the system. Attach a vacuum pump to the service valves and pull a deep vacuum. No leaks. Charge the system with R410A refrigerant. Step 5. Testing and final checks. Turn on the power and thermostat. Make sure the unit's cooling efficiently. Avoid common mistakes. Don't skip vacuuming. Ensure correct wiring. Choose a good location, and charge the refrigerant properly. Follow these steps, and your Goodman AC will be running smoothly in no time. If you're ever unsure, consult a licensed HVAC technician. Cool, right? Happy installing.